Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners utilize their entire harvest year-round by garden planting, preserving methods, and recipes. If that interests you, like and subscribe. This is Sally. She is a beautiful honeybee. She is my supervisor. You'll occasionally see her here and there because she stays on top of everything for quality assurance. She'll make sure I'm on task. In today's episode, I'm going to be making black beans, and what I'm utilizing from the harvest is going to be my Mexican season. That is derived from peppers and herbs of the garden, and using the leftover broth that I had when I made pulled pork. The broth was sifted from the pulled pork and then placed over the black beans that are dried. I chopped the peppers very fine along with some onions, so therefore they cooked down. I did a mixture of my Mexican and some Hatch Chili Flakes, sauteed for 2 minutes after the onions became translucent with the seasoning. That way it's more potent. Placing the veggies into the slow cooker, mixing well to make sure all is combined evenly. I will cook on low between 6 to 8 hours. As you can see, they're starting to break down all the veggies. Oh, check it in, Sally. You know what? I did forget about that. Thank you for pointing that out. Let them know about it. So when you are cooking the beans, it is important to make sure the texture is slightly undercooked, because when you take them out of the freezer and you put them on the stove to warm them back up, it'll cook a little bit longer, and you don't want to go straight mush. So texture matters. Plus, a little bit of a bite when you're eating them is pleasurable. So absolutely suggest the texture. Thanks, Sally, for reminding me. When placing the beans into the airtight containers, make sure to top off with the broth. It will thicken because of the starch. Eat the beans within 6 months for best flavor. If you liked today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Thank you for viewing.